At SkyRight, we're not just installing roofs, we're building trust. That's why we offer a workmanship guarantee on every job we do. This means we stand behind our work for the entire life of your roof. And if you sell your home within the first 25 years, you can even transfer that guarantee to the next homeowner. We believe in transparency. That's why payment is only due when the job is fully complete. No upfront costs, no deposits. You pay when the job is done. Your home's protection is our priority. If any damage occurs during installation, we take full responsibility and cover the repair costs. To ensure everything goes smoothly, an on-site field manager will oversee the entire project. They'll keep you updated with regular progress reports and ensure your property is treated with care. And with real-time photos and updates at every stage, you'll always know exactly where your project stands, from start to finish. When you choose SkyRight, you're choosing a partner who's committed to quality, transparency, and your peace of mind.